Technology and Livelihood Education. Family and Consumer Science for Grade 7. Quarter 3 Week 5, Part 1. Our topic is Food Preparation and Service Tools and Equipment, Their Uses and Maintenance. The content standard for this lesson is: the learners demonstrate an understanding of the fundamentals of the hospitality and tourism industry. The performance for this lesson is: the learners are expected to apply skills in food preparation and services following safety precautions. Here are the learning competency and learning objectives for this lesson. Short review of the previous lesson. The following are the HACCP principles. 1. Can you explain each of the HACCP principles in simple words? 2. Why do you think we need to be aware of the HACCP principles? Are there any other questions you would like to clarify about HACCP? Food preparation, kitchen tools, and its uses. Content area vocabulary. Food safety refers to proper handling, preparing and storing foods in a way that will best reduce the risk of individuals becoming sick from foodborne illnesses. Food sanitation refers to hygienic practice applied in the kitchen to ensure safe and clean food preparation, processing, production, packaging, and storage. Kitchen is a room especially set apart and containing the necessary utensils for cooking food. Kitchen equipment refers to the larger items in the kitchen that handle the bulk of the preparation and cooking processes. Example of these are stoves, chillers, freezers, microwaves, blenders. Kitchen tools are the kitchen device or implements, handheld and used to perform a particular function. Example of these are tongs, flat wooden spatula, measuring cups and spoons, vegetable peeler, chef's knives, kitchen shears, strainer, whisk, and cutting boards. Can you name this tool? Can you name this tool? Can you name this tool? Food preparation, kitchen tools, and its uses. Any cook should be familiar with the correct utensils, devices, and equipment in the kitchen. It is important to consider several things, and not only the price when buying them. The job of cooking requires specific tools, utensils, and equipment for proper and efficient preparation of food. Each piece has been designed to accomplish a specific job in the kitchen. The tools, utensils, and equipment are made of different materials, each having certain advantages and disadvantages. The following are the materials of kitchen utensils and equipment commonly found in the kitchen. The following are the materials used in making kitchen tools or items: aluminum, stainless steel, glass, cast iron, ceramic and heat-proof glass, Teflon, and plastic and hard rubber. Aluminum is the best for all-around use. It is the most popular, lightweight, attractive, and less expensive. It requires care to keep it shiny and clean. Much more, it gives even heat distribution no matter what heat temperature you have. It is available in sheet or cast aluminum. Since it is a soft metal, the lighter gauges will dent and scratch easily, making the utensil unusable. Aluminum turns dark when used with alkalis, such as potatoes, beets, carrots, and other vegetables. Stainless steel materials for cookware is the most popular material used for tools and equipment but is more expensive. It is easier to clean and shine and will not wear out as soon as aluminum. Choose those with copper, aluminum, or laminated steel bottoms to spread heat and keep the pot from getting heat-dark spots. Stainless steel utensils may be bought in many gauges, from light to heavy. Glass is good for baking but impractical for top or surface cooking. Great care is needed to ensure a long shelf life. How to take care of glass cookware. To remove stains, use 2 tablespoons of liquid bleach per cup of water when soaking and cleaning them. Use baking soda to remove the grease crust and boiled vinegar as a final rinse. Use nylon scrub. Cast iron is sturdy but must be kept oiled to avoid rusting. Salad oil without salt or shortening can be rubbed inside and out and dried. Wash with soap, not detergent, before using. Ceramic and heat-proof glass are used especially for baking dishes, casseroles, and measuring cups. Glass and ceramic conduct the heat slowly and evenly. Many of these baking dishes are decorated and can go from the stove or oven to the dining table. Teflon is a special coating applied inside aluminum or steel pots and pans. It prevents food from sticking to the pan. It is easier to wash and clean. Don't scratch the Teflon coating with a sharp instrument such as a knife or fork. Use a wooden or plastic spatula to turn or mix food inside. Plastic and hard rubber are used for cutting and chopping boards, tabletops, bowls, trays, garbage pails, and canisters. They are much less dulling to knives than metal and more sanitary than wood. Plastics are greatly durable and cheap but may not last long. The following are the cooking utensils list that every kitchen needs. Baster. A baster is handy for returning some of the meat or poultry juices from the pan to the food. Basting brushes can be used for the same purpose, but they are also convenient for buttering the tops of breads and baked goods after they come out of the oven. Can, bottle, or cartoon opener used to open a food tin, preferably with a smooth operation and comfortable grip and turning knob. Colanders, also called vegetable filters, are essential for various tasks, from cleaning vegetables to straining pasta or tin contents. Dredgers are used to shake and sprinkle flour, salt, and pepper on meat, poultry, and fish. Emery board and sharpening steel are used to sharpen long knives. Funnels, made of various sizes of stainless steel, aluminum, or plastic, are used to fill jars. Cutting board is a wooden or plastic board where meats and vegetables can be cut. Graters are used to grate, shred, slice, and separate foods such as carrots, cabbage, and cheese. Handy poultry and roasting tools make it easier to lift a hot roasted turkey from the roaster to the serving platter without falling apart. Kitchen shears are practical for opening food packages, cutting tape or string, or removing labels or tags from items. Other cutting tools, such as box cutters, are just as handy, especially for opening packages. Pasta spoon or server transfers a little or a lot of pasta to a waiting plate without mess. Pasta spoons are best used with spaghetti or other long pasta noodles. You can use a large slotted serving spoon for short portions of pasta. Potato masher is used for mashing cooked potatoes, turnips, carrots, or other soft-cooked vegetables. Rotary egg beater used for beating small quantities of eggs or batter. The beaters should be made of stainless steel. Scraper, a rubber or silicone tool to blend or scrape the food from the bowl, metal, silicone, or plastic egg turners or flippers. Seafood serving tools make cleaning seafood and removing the shell much more accessible. For cooking seafood, utensils will vary depending on what you are cooking. Spatula is used to level off ingredients when measuring and to spread frostings and sandwich fillings. Double boiler, used when temperatures must be kept below boiling, such as for egg sauces, puddings, and to keep foods warm without overcooking. Two-tine fork, used to hold meats while slicing and to turn solid pieces of meat while browning or cooking. Made of stainless steel and with a heat-proof handle. Wooden spoons are used for creaming, stirring, and mixing. They should be made of hardwood. Why do we need to use the right kitchen tools in the kitchen? Using the right kitchen tools is essential for ensuring efficiency, safety, and quality in cooking. The correct tools make tasks easier and faster, reducing the time spent on food preparation. For example, a sharp knife ensures precise cuts, while the right pan ensures even heat distribution. Using improper tools can lead to accidents, like cuts or burns, and may result in poorly cooked food. Additionally, the right tools help preserve the flavor and texture of ingredients, making the cooking process more enjoyable. Ultimately, using appropriate kitchen tools enhances the overall cooking experience and the final dish.
A time to remember. This is Teacher Mylene. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.